Hi folks, it's John from lastchanceautorestore.com. I'd like to share with you an update. This is the custom build on the 1977 Ford truck. Previous videos a while ago we shared with you where we modified the suspension. We took all the factory suspension out and we put getting ready for airbag suspension. So we've got the lowering kit in, and then we're basically we've got the 351 modified engine with the C6 tranny. All the original drive line has been removed. So what we'll do is we'll just pause here for a moment and we'll go through and share with you the slideshow of what we went through to get us to this point, pulling the engine out, and I'll be right back. Okay, so now we're back. You can see we had removed the rad, drained all the fluids obviously, and we pulled the engine and transmission completely out through the front, and then we moved the really big original heater box from the firewall, and then we removed a lot of the wiring and stuff that we're not going to need out of the inner fenders. So basically what we're going to do next is we'll share with you in our next video. We have a donor vehicle. So what we did is we've purchased a 2017 Ford F150. I was involved in a collision, so we got it from a salvage yard. It's a Coyote 5-liter engine, and it's a donor truck. So we're basically going to take as many components out of that truck as we can, and then we're going to transplant it into this body. So in our next video, we'll share with you the donor truck for this 77 custom build. I thank you for watching. I'm John from lastchanceautorestore.com.